This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Barry Taylor. Here's a super cute 2-bed, 2-bath rental that is ready for immediate occupancy. Fabulous master suite with walk-in closet and a spacious bathroom. Even the second bedroom has a walk-in closet. In-unit laundry area with washer/dryer for your convenience. Enjoy the screened balcony with your morning coffee or evening cocktail. Lush tropical landscape, walking paths, community pool, clubhouse, fitness center and well-maintained buildings. Close proximity to golf, shopping, I-95 and restaurants. One carport with private storage. Come see this condo today. Owner is seeking well-qualified applicants. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Taylor at 321-795-7074.